come. Here they come. Bella, Bella, Bella. Hold on, Bella. They're trying to sneak good. They're sneaking exactly like I was hoping.
Surprise!
Say hi. Say hi to Bella.
Hi, Bella. She's so cute. Did you plan this? Papa, you love me. She's so cute. Why'd you get her?
I'll tell you about it later.
We got you fudge. Don't tell Dad.
That was part of the plan.
So you went to Nellie's to get the dog?
No, didn't go to Nellie's. No, I had to lie about that one.
Ah, so you already knew. No, it's so cute. Can she sit in the back with us?
Don't worry, we got a long drive home.
Can you sit back with us? Hi, baby.
So Raven, are you really happy?
Yeah. I cried.
Oh, she can kiss you, Jazzy. Raven, what is she?
Huh?
What is she?
Golden Retriever.
Yeah.
But she's a white dog.
No, she's a light golden, so.
Oh, she's so cute. I can't stop loving her. She's so nice. Oh, she'll meet Nala and Pumbaa. Oh, she's
Yeah.
got little tail. She's so cute.
All right, say bye, girls.
Bye. She's going.
No. No. I'm just turning off the video. Say bye to the video.
Bye,